68 Camaro. It's got the 396 you got to watch out for, the 375 horse conversion, which I think they underrate, probably well over 400 horse. Usually when they got a version that's like the highest horsepower, they knock it down some because they don't rev it up where it can actually make the most horsepower because of insurance reasons. Keep the insurance down. This damn thing would move. It's got the, oh, what you call that, houndstooth interior or whatever it is. It's nice looking, man. SS on the steering wheel. Have fun finding one of those wheels. SS on it. It's got a 4-speed in it. Tachometer and 150 mile an hour speedometer. Runs on demon power, man. That's one thing I like about my Harley, though. I can tell you, when I got that back in '89, I missed these kind of cars, and you could still mess with the bike. And now you can't even mess with the bike so much the way they are electronic, you know. But between the Harley and the El Camino, that's my old muscle car fix, you know.